What cycle?
I don't know. It's up to you. It's your stuff.
They're all fast. Ah, it's going to take my power down.
It's alright now. It's alright now. Huh?
Oh, I'm going to stay moving.
Huh?
Oh, it's going to stay moving. There's no carbon on my trousers. No way.
Can you pull that inner door too, please? Well, that one.
Sorry?
Can you pull the inner door too? See if it makes a difference. That's a tiny bit better. Or you can just stop working either way. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've properly filmed this thing.
Yeah.
It's not been running. Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
They're all good looking machines, man.
See what you could film? With this, after this?
Yeah.
The test cycle.
Yeah, why not?
No one's
Actually.
actually done that. I
No.
only filmed a spin from one.
Michael did on his, I think.
No.
It's only quite quick, isn't it, the test cycle?
I wouldn't know. I can't remember, I think I cancelled it because it was like 11 o'clock at night. I was doing it, so yeah.
Yeah. No.
Good. Then it's not working. Piece of shit. Oh! Give him with these crappy dryers.
I need to put a bleep machine on my videos.
You bloody well do.
They should put an option like that on YouTube.
I'm surprised they haven't.
Yeah, it'd be quite funny.
You got like a new audio, the machine would just be beep. Get on there, you fucking. Oh, God, stay on there and don't you dare pop off. Gross. There's a bit of trouble. Oh! Right, good. No, stay on there. Thank you.
It's a tumble dryer. It's not a human being. Stop talking to it.
I talk to myself. I'm not a human being.
Good point.
Gosh. Oh, my toolbox in the car. Oh, it's broken. That's why it goes together. Well, this one isn't on either. That's oh, there's no coal wash up there.
I think there is on 6027.
Probably. That's more advanced.
Yeah.
I can't afford
No. Good one.
3 extra.
Considering this is the original motor that was in it before, it seems to run better than it did.
Yeah, it's alright.
Maybe it's just a weird connection.
Possibly. It does the job.
Yeah. Clever. Oh, actually,
What?
just thinking about this cannon and stuff.
Sorry?
Just thinking about the place for the sausage roll. I need to figure out when they open.
We can go there on Monday.
We could, or we could go there tomorrow morning.
Oh, sorry, Sunday. When we going to go to the beach and get Chinese?
We could do.
Let's get Chinese tomorrow by the beach, because that was cool.
Yeah. See why I like it, don't you?
Sorry?
See why I like going there, don't you? It's so nice.
I wish I had a beach.
I never, ever, ever used to like going to the beach until I used to go with, well, till now when I go with my friends at like 9, 10 at night, when it's just sunset. We sit there, they have a couple of beers, I have a, you know, whatever, and then we just sit there and chat and have a chuckle, and then we put up a little bonfire thing of, you know, scrap papers. So nice.
Can I take all my washing?
No.
Let's joke.
No.
Yeah,
But,
okay.
oh. Honestly, if I'm ever down or just need picking up somehow, I always end up going on and feeling amazing after that. I just don't know why.
Yeah. You know. Oh yeah. Door four off.
Oh yeah. That's not very half load level, is it?
No.
Oh well.
Who cares? Maybe it's time fill.
Maybe. I wouldn't know.
Because, what was I going to say?
It might be lower after the
Because
spin.
there's the timer option.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 was the fault bit as well.
Good point.
See, I'm clever.
Yeah.
That better not be the thumbnail.
I will laugh my head off if it is.
So, we're probably the dishwasher and after. Are you comfortable with that food?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. Coffee.
Oh, my light's not working again. piece of...
Well, move my light on.
No, it don't matter.
Move it on. Where is it literally gone?
What?
Move it on.
No light.
Oh, I don't know.
Don't know.
Busy now, shouldn't I?
Don't even know what you're on about.
I've got an angle point as well.
Oh. I don't know.
Yeah,
Tiny bit better, yeah. Oh, there you go.
oh, I could do.
Yeah, you are.
Something.
When you want to be. I forgot this recording just upside down as well.
Oh. Not even my road back. 20 seconds.
I'll see what it's like in a minute.
Piece of shit. Where's the condition? Help me! Frick in hell. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Oh no. Oh, for feck's sake.
Tiny bit wet in, I think.
Most people should say hope. That's disgusting.
Yeah, good. Aren't I good? Well, it works, it's just in these barrels.
Come on, please work.